Hello everyone, this is Energy Cinema. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to pick up new skills or absorb information faster than others? What if the key to unlocking this potential isn't hidden in some secret formula, but lies in debunking some widely held misconceptions about learning and intelligence? The first lie we often hear is that intelligence is fixed. This belief suggests that we are born with a certain level of intelligence, and no matter how hard we try, we can't improve it. This is a misconception. Science has proven that our brains are plastic, meaning they can change and adapt. This process, known as neuroplasticity, allows us to learn new things, improve our skills, and increase our intelligence. The second lie is that we only use 10% of our brains. This myth has been perpetuated by popular culture, but it's simply not true. We use all of our brain, not just a fraction of it. Some people might use their brains more efficiently due to training, but this is an attainable goal for everyone. Thirdly, we often equate mistakes with failure. From a young age, we're taught to avoid mistakes at all costs. However, this belief can limit our willingness to take risks and try new things. In reality, mistakes are a vital part of the learning process. They provide valuable feedback and teach us what not to do. The fourth lie is the saying that knowledge is power. While knowledge is important, it's only potential power. It becomes true power when we apply what we've learned and use it to make a difference in our lives and the lives of others. The fifth misconception is that hard work alone equals success. While hard work is crucial, it's not the only factor that leads to success. Mindset, strategy, and support are equally important. A balanced approach to success requires us to consider all these elements. The sixth lie is the concept of the genius gene. We often believe that geniuses are born, not made. However, research has shown that genius is not simply a matter of genetics. It's also a result of hard work, practice, and perseverance. Lastly, there's the belief that learning is always fast and easy. In reality, learning requires effort, time, and patience. It's not always a quick process, but with the right mindset, motivation, and method, anyone can become a limitless learner. So, to sum up, these 7 lies of learning are misconceptions that can limit our growth and performance. By debunking these lies, we can open up our potential for limitless learning. Remember, intelligence is not fixed. We use our entire brain. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Knowledge is potential power. Hard work isn't the only pathway to success. There's no such thing as a genius gene, and learning isn't always fast and easy. With this understanding, we can break free from these limiting beliefs and truly unlock our potential. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Energy Cinema YouTube channel. See you in the next video.